In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your transaction history on Payee Monzo app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we first want to do is open up the Monzo app on your phone, and then we need to navigate to the specific transaction you'd like to delete. Then from there, tap on the transaction to view more details. Look for the help or more options section, often represented by three dots or a gear icon. Currently, Monzo doesn't offer an option to delete transactions directly, but you can archive or hide them to keep your feed clean. Archive can remove the transactions from your main feed, but it'll be still visible in your account history, so keep that in mind. And if you need more support, you can always contact Monzo support via the app for more information. And yeah, just a side note here, remember, even if you hide or archive a transaction, it still might be visible in your account statements or for tax purposes.